The green light is the head of the aircraft. The red light is the tail of the aircraft. Press the one-button takeoff button. The aircraft takes off with one button. Press the spray button. The aircraft turns on the bottom spray. Rises, falls, rotates left, rotates right, advances, retreats, flies left, flies right. After pressing the speed button, switches between low, medium, high, 3 speeds, presses to turn on the headless mode, and